Hi guys, if you really want to improve your IELTS speaking band score, then you must have to generate separate cue card idea for each and every cue card. And if you don't have the separate ideas, don't worry, watch this video till the end. You will find the separate and easy idea for the cue card. And before that, if you're new to my channel, please like it and subscribe it and share it with among your friends. If you haven't watched my previous videos on vocab that you can use in every module, you can watch them by clicking the link in the description box, or you can watch them by clicking the I button at right up corner of the screen.
Describe a part of city or a town you enjoy spending time in. Where it is, what it is like, what do you do there, and explain why do you enjoy spending time there. Well, being nature lover, I love traveling and like to explore about different places. Some of them I have visited once, and there are those where I often wander about. However, here I would like to talk about one such city that I am quite into visiting, and that is Kangra city, which is located in Himachal Pradesh. Sometimes I visit it with my family by car. However, I mostly visit it with my friends by riding the bike, as it is fun to do so. Since it is nearly 250 km away from my city Hoshiarpur, so it takes almost 1.5 days to reach there by bike. As it is one of the religious cities of India, having countless temples like Chamunda Devi Temple, Bakshanath Temple, Baijnath Temple, and so on. So we usually pay obeisance to these temples first, like thousands of other devotees are doing every year. Then we go to Rajouri Garden, which is totally covered with lush green hills, valleys, and river. It is creating a mesmerizing view, and where we generally click countless selfies. After that, we do river rafting in Dal River and take a bath in Bugs waterfall. However, few of my friends also do paragliding except Aman and I, because we are scared of height. Then we visit restaurant named as Salt and Pepper, which is very popular restaurant over there. There we relished both traditional and exotic flavors. After that, sometime we go to Shastri Market located in downtown area of the city, which is also called Shoppers Paradise, as it is famous for economic or inexpensive products and clothing, and we do shopping over there. So we usually stay there for almost 4 to 5 days and enjoys a lot. Though we have visited it for several times, still whenever we visit it we have a something new and exciting experience. So this is a city I like to explore more as compared to others. Thanks for watching. Here are other two videos, you can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos, and share these all videos among your friends.